नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? Okay ma, we finished that lesson for 9. We finished the notes of lesson, we finished the book exercise, everything. Have you all finished? Finish it, okay? If you didn't finish still, please finish it. And today we are going to study a new lesson. Take page number 69. On the up of it, write today's date 10/3/2021 Budhavar. Write on the up of it. And lesson number 10, Raja Ka Chehra. Raja Ka Chehra. What is the title? Raja Ka Chehra. Raja means king, Chehra means face. So the face of a king. What is in that? How I hearing the title? Can you guess anything? Let's see in the lesson. Okay ma? Okay. बहुत समय पहले की बात है. Long time before. It was happened a long time before. विजयनगर राज्य में तेनालीरामन नाम का एक विदूषक था. In Vijayanagar state, Tenali named one clown was there. विदूषक means clown, CLOWN, clown. वह अपनी सूझबूझ के लिए बहुत प्रसिद्ध था. He was very famous in his sense of humor. He was very famous in his sense, common sense. Okay, in sense of humor and also common sense, he is very famous. So इसी कारण वह राजा कृष्णदेव राय की आंखों का तारा था. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ही वॉज वेरी डियर फॉर राजा कृष्णदेव राय. विजयनगर राज्य के राजा ओनली राजा कृष्णदेव राय. सो देयर ऑन क्लाउन नेम, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट क्लाउन? तेनाली रामन. ही इज़ वेरी फेमस फॉर हिज सेंस, कॉमन सेंस. सो इसी का, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट राजा कृष्णदेव राय ही लाइक्स हिम वेरी मच. एक दिन राजा कृष्णदेव ने अपने सभी दरबारियों को सोने के सिक्कों से भरी थैलियाँ बांटी. what he has done today, one day he has done what he has done. He has given. So एक दिन राजा कृष्णदेव ने अपने सभी दरबारियों को सोने के सिक्कों से भरी थैलियाँ बांटी. What he has done, one day Raja Krishnadeva Rai, he has given for all the courtiers in his court. So many courtiers will be there in the court, right? So he called all the courtiers and he has given Sone ke Sikko. Sone ke Sikko means golden coins. Golden coins se bhari thailiyan bandi. He distributed the bag which is full of golden coins. One day he called all the courtiers and he has given the bag which is filled with the सोने के सिक्कों, golden coins. साथ ही यह घोषणा की. With that he announced that also, one announcement also he has given that सभी को यह सारी धनराशि एक सप्ताह के भीतर खर्च करनी होगी. What he has announced? सभी को यह सारी धनराशि, this all amount, it will be a amount, right? It is filled with full of golden coins. So it is an amount. So that amount everyone should expend within a week. Saptah means week, kharch means expend, dhanrashi means amount. So all should expend this all amount within a week. यदि धनराशि बच जाती है तो उसे राजकोष में वापस जमा करना होगा. What he has done, if anything is left, if any amount is left on the last day of this week, उसे राजकोष में, राजकोष means treasury, वापस जमा कराना होगा. You have to submit that amount back to the treasury. If after 1 week if you are not finishing the money, you have to return it back. थैलियाँ पाकर दरबारियों की खुशी का ठिकाना रहा. By hearing that, if we are here by giving lots of golden coins and telling king is telling to spend everything within a week, means it is very easy for them, right? They will spend, they will buy so many different. If it is getting to you, means what you will do? You will buy so many chocolates, like that, isn't it? So like that, by hearing that, they felt so surprised and they were very happy. सभी ने थैलियों के लिए राजा को शुक्रिया अदा किया. Because of getting that bag, they thanked him very much. पर तेनालीराम हैरान था. But what happened? Tenaliram was very surprised. Why king won't give this much golden coins to us to spend? Why the king has given like that? He was thinking like that only. He is very famous in sense, isn't it? He is having sense, so he is thinking simply and all. King won't give this much golden coins like that. He think. Then after that, what happening? Turn the page, ma. तभी राजा ने दूसरी घोषणा करते हुए कहा, या दैट इज कमिंग द नेक्स्ट वन. सी यू कैन सी दैट एवरीवन आर गेटिंग golden coins and they are standing, and this is only Tenali Raman, isn't it? So when he also got, आप सभी को कुछ भी खरीदने से पहले मेरा चेहरा अवश्य देखना होगा. He gave one more announcement like, if you are buying, आप सभी को कुछ भी खरीदने से पहले, when you are buying anything, before that you have to see my face. चेहरा अवश्य देखना होगा. Before buying anything, you should see my face. Like that, king has ordered. The next announcement. So, if you are going to buy any chocolate, with that means you have to come and see Raja. You have to come and see king, and only you have to go and buy. If you are, after that you want to buy another chocolate, means you want to come and see Raja, and you have to go. Like that, king has told. यह सुनकर सभी चकित रह गए. By hearing that, everyone became very surprised because they didn't expect that only. He told that you have to spend this much money within a week. After that only he is seeing that if you are buying anything, before that you should come and see me. सप्ताह समाप्त होने वाला था. The week is going to finish. पर कोई भी दरबारी पूरी धनराशि खर्चा नहीं कर पाए. But even a single person cannot spend it, that amount. कुछ भी खरीदने से पहले राजा का चेहरा देखना उनके लिए असंभव था. For them it was impossible to see the king before buying even a single thing. Because what? कुछ दरबारियों को लगा कि राजा ने एक शर्त जान पूछ कर रखी है. Somebody thought that maybe intentionally he has kept this bet, ताकि कोई भी पूरी धनराशि खर्च न कर पाए. For not spending only, he has intentionally gave this bet, I think, like that somebody told. Then सप्ताह ख़त्म हो गया. वीकेंड. सभी दरबारी राजा के दरबार में हाजिर हुए. What happened? Everyone present in the दरबार. The दरबार means the court. राजा ने सभी से पूछा. He was asking to everyone. दिए गए सिक्कों से आप सभी ने क्या क्या खरीदा? I have given gold coins, na? What and all you have bought for that? Like that, king is asking to that courtiers and all. So after that, what they are answering? Let's see. सभी दरबारी एक दूसरे के चेहरे देखने लगे. Some everyone are seeing, looking like that, looking to others and all. वे स्वयं को डगा सा महसूस कर रहे थे. They felt that they have cheated. डगा सा means cheated. They felt that they have cheated. थी क्योंकि वे राशि खर्च नहीं कर पाए थे. Because they can't spend that amount. So they thought that we have cheated. सभी ने सिक्कों की थैलियाँ राजा को वापस लौटा दी. They have given the back return to king. राजा ने जब दरबारियों से खरीदारी न करने का कारण पूछा तो उन्होंने कहा, he was asking, why you didn't do any shopping? खरीदारी means shopping. Why you didn't? I have given this much golden coins for you, and you didn't do even a single shopping. Why you didn't do? So they are answering like, महाराज, शर्त अनुसार आपका चेहरा देखकर ही खरीदारी करने का आदेश था. Your bet is that before buying even a single thing, we should come and see you. But यह हमें उचित नहीं लगा. That we can't accept because कुछ भी खरीदने के लिए हम आपको परेशान करें. We can't come and disturb you for even a single thing. Every time we are coming and seeing your face, it will be a disturb for डिस्टर्ब फॉर यू, दैट आई वी डोंट लाइक। परेशान करने पर आप नाराज़ होकर दंड भी कर दे सकते हैं। इफ़ यू आर डेली, if you are coming and asking permission, like if you are coming to see your face, means you will be angry and you will give punishment for us। दंड भी दे सकते हैं, you will give punishment for us। बस यही सब सोचकर हम सभी ने कुछ नहीं खरीदा। By thinking this all, we didn't buy even a single thing। Like that, these courtiers are telling, because we didn't buy anything, because we every day, every time we want to come and see you. So if we are coming and disturbing, means you will get angry and you will give punishment for us. So that only we didn't do anything. Like that, everyone are telling. Then what will happen? क्वेश्चन इज दैट क्या तेनालीरामन ने भी राजा की तैली वापस लौटा दी? मे बी तेनालीराम ऑल्सो विल कम एंड गिव द बैक टू किंग। व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग माय डियर किड्स? कैन यू थिंक एनीथिंग? वी विल सी, राइट? नेक्स्ट पेज। तभी तेनालीराम खुश होते हुए दरबार में पहुंचे। That time what happening? See, Tenaliram is very happy and he is coming to the court। राजा ने उनसे कहा, राजा has asked, तेनालीराम क्या आप अपनी तैली मुझे वापस लौटाना नहीं चाहेंगे? तेनालीरामन, you are not wishing to give me the bag return? तेनालीराम बोले, मैंने उन सिक्कों से बहुत सी चीज़ें खरीदी और दी गई सारी राशि भी खर्च हो चुकी है। Then he is telling that I have bought so many things using that golden coins, and whatever you have given, that everything I have spent। Like that Tenaliram is telling, I have bought so many things and I have spent all the money what you have given। यह सुनकर सभी दरबारी फौचके रह गए। By hearing that, everyone became stunned। He spent everything? How? एक दरबारी ने उनसे पूछा, क्या खरीदारी करते समय राजा आपके साथ थे? Whether king was with you when you were doing shopping and all, because Raja has told him that he want to see the face of him before buying everything. So that person is asking whether Raja was with you, king was with you when you were doing shopping। आपने उनका चेहरा कैसे देखा? How you have seen his face? तेनालीराम ने मुस्कुराते हुए जवाब दिया। Then Tenaliram is smiling and answering, खरीदारी करते समय राजा मेरे साथ नहीं थे। राजा वॉज नॉट विथ मी, किंग वॉज नॉट विथ मी व्हेन आई वॉज डूइंग शॉपिंग। परंतु बट सभी सोनों के सिक्के पर राजा का चेहरा छपा हुआ था। व्हाट इज दैट? even every what the golden coins and king has given na, in each and every golden coin the picture of the face of Raja was printed on that, so that courtiers, they didn't even open and see the coins, isn't it? But Tenaliram, he has opened and saw that in every golden coins the Raja's face was printed on that, right? मैंने उसे देखा और खरीदारी कर ली। I have seen that one and I have do my shopping। Like that Tenaliram is telling। इसके बाद राजा का शुक्रिया करते ही, then after that he is thanking राजा and महाराज, मैंने इन सिक्कों से बहुत सारी चीज़ें खरीदी। Because of this golden coins I have brought so many things as king, जिससे मेरे परिवार बहुत खुश हुआ। Because of that my family is very happy। मैं और मेरा परिवार आपका बहुत आभारी हूँ। I and my family is very thankful for you। आभारी means thankful। तेनालीराम की चतुराई और सूझबूझ देकर राजा फूले ने समाये। By seeing his cleverness and his common sense, राजा became so happy। उन्होंने उन्हें सोने के सिक्कों से भरी एक और थैली इनाम के रूप में दी। What he has done? He has given one more bag full of golden coins as a gift for him। He has given as a prize for him, because he has found the answer, he has found the trick what the king was done in that, because he has pasted his photo, printed his face on the golden coins, that courtiers, they didn't even open that bag and have seen that one, isn't it? They didn't even think anything। So whatever the problem comes, whatever the matter comes, we should think twice before doing anything, isn't it? Think twice। Even a single thing if we are doing, we have to go forward, means you have to think twice। By hearing itself, we should not stood up and do something, we should think for some time। think before you leap. We have so many proverbs about that, isn't it? Think before you leap. Think twice. Whatever we are doing, you have to think twice and think cleverly. See Tenali Rama, how cleverly he has finished everything. He has spent the money and he has cleared all the solution for that, and all the others also got the solution for that one, right? So like that, he is very famous for his sense. So how was the story, my dear kids? Very nice, isn't it? So read the story, ma. Read it, okay? Read it even as you try to read. So many students, they have improved a lot in reading. I am so happy that even in third grade itself, even you are reading this much. I am so happy, my dear kids. Keep doing like this, and please try to come for the Zoom class. If you are not coming, even I am still waiting till 3:30 for you people. Please come for the Zoom class. Okay, ma? We all teachers also having so many works. Then even we are coming and sitting from 3 to 3:30 for you people. We also have that 3 to 3:30 is more precious for us. Then even we are sitting because we can do more work in that half an hour. Because we are even you are sitting in home and playing everything and whatever we are sending that you want to just see and play and all. But we teachers 24 hours we are working for you. We have also so many works in our home. We have to take care of our own kids. So many work is there. In between we have to go for school. We have to go for preparing it. Fully engaged. In that half an hour we are spending for your Zoom class, that is more precious for us. Even a single minute is precious for us nowadays. So please give importance for that Zoom class. Some students are coming. I'm so happy about them. Keep doing like that. And others also, please come for the school. Please give importance for the studies. Even in this pandemic situation, even we are giving whatever we can do, whatever that we are giving for you. Please do understand that one and come for the Zoom class, my dear kids. Okay, ma'am, whatever doubts you have to come and see, ask in that, and reading practice I am giving in that Zoom class. Okay, you should improve your reading skill. So keep coming for the Zoom class. Okay, ma'am. That's all for today. Dhanyawad, प्यारे बच्चों.